Vats, do you know that universe was not born from matter, but from sound? Pudi. In ancient times, we called it Naad, the sacred vibration.
Every emotion, every organ, every living cell vibrates at a frequency.
When your mind is disturbed, your frequency becomes chaotic. But when you chant OM, your body returns to its natural rhythm.
Rishis knew this secret. Sound is not heard only by ears, it is felt by the soul. If you align your vibration, you align your life. Remember, the universe does not speak in words, it speaks in frequency. Now close your eyes and listen. Om. Om.